Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a chart with you guys on TRCH, as TRCH had a nice run today. They actually had a nice gap up in the middle of the day, and they ended up consolidating nicely throughout the rest of the day. And I wanted to go over an exact analysis on which indicators we are going to be looking out for on this possible breakout and exactly which alerts I will be setting. So that way, if it does break out, we won't miss out on it. But again, I do appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me in the comment section. Much love to you guys. And if you guys have not subscribed, we do go all out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts and alerts that we do set for every stock. So that way you guys do not miss out on them. So again, TRCH, we are going to go over, even if they don't break out, I'm going to show you guys exactly which alert I will be setting. So that way, even if it does sell off and it does continue on down and eventually does decide to break out, it will break that alert that I'm going to show you guys in a second. So right now we do see TRCH that has been consolidating nicely throughout the rest of the day. We had a nice gap up and it looks like we could continue. Now we are looking for more buy volume. We did have a nice buy volume spike in the middle of the day. So in my opinion, based on the MACD here on the 5-minute, you can see that the sell pressure has been decreasing. We're going to look for that sell pressure to continue to decrease. We need to see more white shaded lines for that to decrease. Again, we don't want to see any dark shaded red lines coming out any deeper than our previous ones, because if we do, then we'll probably see an increase in sell pressure. But however, we're going to look for that white shaded line on the MACD, so that way we can possibly see that breakout going into more buy pressure. So again, the MACD does represent buy pressure, and like I said, we're going to be looking for more volume going into tomorrow. But I'm going to go over the 15-minute with you guys so you guys can see exactly which resistance that we're going to be looking to break out of. On the 15-minute, you can see that we are trying to break out of a previous sell-off point. It is a very key resistance here, as you can see. We did try to sell off at this very point in time. And I want to show you guys this in particular because if we do break this very point at around $2.33 going into tomorrow, in my opinion, we might get a lot of volume coming in because that is a very key resistance. Again, if we do break that, it is a very key resistance, in my opinion. This is also where we previously broke out. You can see right here in this chart. So again, this is very key to look at your key resistances, because when stocks do have gradual run-ups, and with the 20 MA going over the 50 like this, being very bullish and leading into a possible resistance to break out of, that's very key. They do have large movements. So again, TRCH, I'm really looking for it to break over 233. I'm going to also set a MACD alert here on the buy pressure. So that way, if on the 15-minute it does start to give us buy pressure, I'm really looking at it for a possible breakout. So I'm going to put that buy pressure point right here, right above our previous buy pressure point that we saw. This is going to be an early alert, so that way we can get into it as quick as possible if it does break over 233. But again, TRCH will be on the watch. I think that energy is starting to have a little bit more of a run, so we're going to see if TRCH can run with that sector. So again, TRCH will be on the watch. I do appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me in the comment section as always. And if you guys, again, do have a watch list, tickers, questions, anything on your mind, throw it in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.